I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox user-generated content faces. First, we will cover the essential program requirements you need to meet. Then, we will dive into preparing your two-dimensional face texture, ensuring it meets all specifications. Following that, we will explore the three-dimensional modeling and rigging process. Finally, I will guide you through uploading and configuring your unique face in Roblox Studio, preparing it for the platform. Designing your face texture is a crucial first step. You'll want to create a high-resolution two-dimensional image, ideally 256 by 256 pixels, using your preferred art software. Remember to keep Roblox's content guidelines in mind to avoid any moderation issues. A transparent background is essential for seamless integration, allowing your face to look great on any character. Experiment with various expressions and styles to make your creation truly stand out. Now, let's move to the three-dimensional modeling and rigging phase. You'll need to model a basic face mesh in software such as Blender. After modeling, carefully unwrap the UVs so your two-dimensional texture maps perfectly onto the three-dimensional surface. Rigging involves adding bones to allow for dynamic animations and expressions. Finally, export your completed model as an FBX file, paying close attention to scaling. Typically, one stud in Roblox equals 1 meter. The final steps involve uploading and configuring your new face. In Roblox Studio, use the Asset Manager to upload both your FBX model and the texture files. Next, carefully configure the face asset properties, adjusting materials, collision settings, and the display name. It's vital to test your face on a Roblox character within Studio to confirm everything looks and functions correctly. Once satisfied, submit your user-generated content face for review via the Creator dashboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.